Most people think you need tech skill, paid ads, or a big audience to make money online. I don't. I'm just starting out and I'm using a $25 funnel builder. It's already working for others. If you're a beginner, burned out by complexity or hype, then this walkthrough is for you. I'm documenting everything in real time so you can follow along. In this video, I'm giving you a full Home Business Academy back office tour inside the $25 funnel builder that pays monthly with residual commissions, even if you're just starting out. That's the full title and it's exactly what you'll get. A real-time walkthrough of the dashboard and how I'm setting up my funnel, and I'm building this Faceless without ads or branding. Stick around to the end because I'll show you the exact funnel and testing, how I plan to onboard new referrals, and how you can clone the system today. No tech skills required. Now we're actually building the funnel right now, so it's a few days away, but I'll let you know when it's actually live. This isn't a pitch, it's a plug and play walkthrough. Faceless, honest, built for beginners. Let's get one thing straight. I'm not a guru. I haven't made commissions yet with this system. I have made commissions with others. I'm just getting started. I'm documenting everything in real time. I plugged into a system that's already working for many others, and I'm following the steps exactly. No coding, no design skills, no paid ads. Just a simple setup. I'm testing and I'm sharing as I go. The Home Business Academy is built for people like me and maybe like you. People who want freedom, not funnels. Inside the back office, you'll find everything you need. A $25 funnel builder that's drag and drop simple. I'll show you several of the funnels I made. Oops. Okay, give me just a half a second. I'm not sure what I just did. I'll be right back. So as you can see, there are a lot of different funnel pages, and most of these are actually the video pages that I'm making. See, I'm turning every video into a funnel. You can watch the video and get started, right? And you'll have the same type of system, okay? A training academy that walks you through setup, a community that actually helps, and a compensation plan that pays monthly, not just once. I'll walk you through all of it step by step, and I'll show you exactly how I'm setting up to earn commissions without being on camera, without posting daily, and without pretending to be someone I'm not. Now, I actually am posting almost daily because because I'm learning how to rank videos. And I've been ranking videos ever since about 3 months ago when I started with the mentor I'm working with right now. And he's teaching me step by step how to actually do this. And every single video I have has ranked really well. And almost every one has ranked on the first page almost immediately. Now let's dive into the dashboard. Now this is what it looks like when you actually log in, okay? Give me a second. And then go to the funnel, okay? So we're going to log in. And it takes you right to the funnel builder, right? And this is what an actual completed funnel looks like. So you'll have something similar to this when I have my system set up, right? If you get started with me, okay? And this will brand you as a mentor that people want to get with, okay? They want to learn how to do this, okay? Not just send somebody to a company page and not brand yourself, okay? You want to be a badass affiliate, right? So, there's no clutter. It's a simple interface. At the top, you'll find affiliate links, leads, and click leads and commissions. Mine are still at 0 because I'm just getting started. Actually, it's not at 0. I was at 0 for, okay. I'm in different programs. So for this program, it's 0, okay? Below that, you'll see the Funnel Builder Academy. This is where the training lives. It's broken down in short, actionable videos, perfect for beginners. You'll learn how to clone funnels from templates, edit pages with drag and drop tools. Drag and drop. They're pretty simple. You can drag and drop, right? You can take something here to put it there, right? Tracking links and conversion. Here's the best part. You don't need to build anything from scratch. The community shares proven funnels you can clone instantly. I cloned my main funnel from my mentor. I swapped in my links, added my own messaging, and launched it in under an hour. Now let's look at the actual funnel builder. It's fast, intuitive, and mobile friendly. You can create opt-in pages, graded pages, thank you pages, and full websites all inside one dashboard. So you can make a video page just like this. Let's see. I'll show you one. Nope, this is not it. Give me a second. Here's one. Here again, branding me, okay? You can create opt-in pages, grid pages, thank you pages, and full websites all inside one dashboard. No plugins, no hosting, no tech headaches. And because it's only $25 a month, it's easy to share with others. People don't need to be convinced. They just need to see how it works, which is exactly what I'm doing here. Now let's talk about how this pays monthly, okay? I haven't earned commissions yet, but here's how it works for others and how I'm setting up my system to do the same. The Home Business Academy uses a residual commission model. That means every time someone joins through your link, you earn monthly income, not just a one-time payout. Here's the flow. You share your funnel. Someone signs up for the $25 builder. You earn $20 a month for as long as they stay. That's 80% commissions, residual, recurring, and scalable. And because the tool is actually useful, people will stick around. I've seen others earn passive income from work they did once. That's what I'm building towards. No chasing, no convincing, just showing what I use. And if someone upgrades to the premium membership, you earn even more. But I'm focused on the $25 funnel builder because it's simple, affordable, and beginner friendly. It's a perfect entry point for anyone who wants to start earning online without complexity. Now let's talk about support. Most affiliate programs leave you on your own. HBA is different. There's a full training academy, weekly masterminds, and a private Facebook group where people share funnels, results, and tips. If you're stuck, someone's already solved it. If you're new, the onboarding flow walks you through everything. You'll learn how to set up your funnel, connect your autoresponder, track your links, share your funnel ethically and effectively, and you'll get access to swipe files, email templates, and video scripts just like this one. The community is active, helpful, and focused on results. No fluff, no spam, just real people building real businesses. And because it's faceless friendly, you don't need to be camera and build a personal brand. You can stay anonymous like this. Use templates and let the system do the heavy lifting. Now let me show you how I'm running this Faceless. I use screen recording, swipe files, and templates from the community. My funnel has a simple headline, a short video, and a button. That's it. I track clicks and signups. So something like this, okay? I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like. Okay, right here. So people, when they see the video, right, you click play. It takes them to the opt-in, and then they can watch the video, and it takes them. I introduce myself, and I show you how exactly how to do that. I check clicks and signups in my Backoffice. I get notified when commissions hit. And I use email automation to follow up. No daily posting, no dancing on TikTok, no pretending to be someone I'm not. I'm building a system that works for me, and I'll help others do the same. If you want to stay anonymous, this works. If you want to build a brand, this works. If you want to earn while you learn, this works. And if you want to plug into something that's already working, this is it. I've tested dozens of tools. This one is simple, affordable, and effective. It's not perfect, but it's perfect for beginners, and it's perfect for people who want freedom without complexity. If you want the exact funnel I'm testing, drop the word simple in the comments or check the link below. I'll send you my funnel clone link. Again, I'm working on it right now, so it's a few days away. The onboarding flow, my email swipe file, and a walkthrough of how I set it up. No upsells, no fluff, just the system I'm using daily. You can plug it in today, follow the steps, and start building. And when I earn my first commission, I'll update with a new video and show you exactly what changed. You'll see the turning point, the tweaks I made, and how it all came together. Because this isn't just a tutorial, it's a journey, and you're invited to watch it unfold. So if you're ready to plug in the exact system I'm showing you today, the Home Business Academy Backoffice Tour inside the $25 funnel builder that pays monthly with the residual commissions, even if you're just starting, you already know what to do. Clone the funnel, follow the flow, let the system do the heavy lifting. And I want to show you something real quick. Okay, first of all, I have succeeded and made affiliate commissions, and I've helped my team do the same as well. So right here it says, congratulations, you just earned a $50 Spark Matrix cycle commission in a different program. You've also unlocked a new Spark training module, and another Matrix position will be processed shortly. Log into your back office for more details. Thank you, Affiliate Mentor. This is what it looks like, okay? I finished my board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. And this is me, okay, John Solly. And you can see, sponsor, John Solly. These are the new 2 people. But check this out. You see Cheryl Hanna and Bobby Nation? Watch them. They both have 2 people from John Solly, right? There's Cheryl and there's Bobby. Cheryl, Bobby, okay? And also, we have another system that will work perfect with whatever your learning. Okay, whatever you're promoting, it'll work with this one, with FBA, with or it will work with any other system you're working with. Okay. And it starts for $7. You can earn up to $1,500 instantly. Okay, it will teach you how to promote anything, and it will teach you traction marketing, how to rank for videos like this. Okay, this is our team that's using this system. And again, this is something different. Okay, if you're interested in building this or any other program, you can just get started for $7. At $7, you can still earn up to $1,500. Okay. And you may earn instant commissions. Okay, so oh yeah, I want to show you the ranking. Okay, so I'm going to go check out Affiliate Manager compensation plan. Okay, and you can see I'm not signed in. I'll show you right here, not signed in. Okay, and I'm going to tell you everybody that's on our team. So Postcard Lifestyle is on our team. Postcard Lifestyle, again, same person, and for some reason it's not working. So let me see if it's refreshed. And if not, we'll move on, because you'll see, and you can see, check it out in another video. I'll be showing this in most of the videos. Okay. Okay. So, and here's another Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. The first two shorts. Okay. And here's another Postcard Lifestyle, another Postcard Lifestyle. And another Postcard Lifestyle. And Mr. Orange Dream, another team member, okay? And another team member, Michael De La Cruz, okay? And here's one of mine, okay? Make Money Online with JJ. And here's another one, Postcard Lifestyle. And here's another one from me, Make Money Online with JJ. And here's another one for Postcard Lifestyle. And here's another one for Postcard Lifestyle, okay? Here's another one from me. Okay, this works. And here's another one from me. And here's another one from Postcard Lifestyle. We are dominating YouTube. And I'll show you another one. Okay, Affiliate Manager Review 2025. And I think we have the first video on, because these don't count. These sponsored videos, they don't count. Okay. Bear with me. It's going slow for some reason. Okay. Alright, moving on. But you can see the #1 video is from our team. And I just wanted to show you what's possible, okay? I'm not guaranteeing anything. You will, you get what you put out into something. If you actually stay consistent, follow our training, follow the training inside the system, the funnel builder, you will succeed. If you expect a free lunch, you're not going to be very happy, okay? This is John Solid, aka JJ Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood solid man. Don't delay, get with JJ today. Faceless, fearless, free. I'll see you on the inside. Don't delay, get with JJ today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.